How to contact Bank of America customer support quickly. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can contact Bank of America customer support quickly. So without further delay, let's get started. So for that you have to open up a Google, and in the search bar head over to Bank of America or type Bank of America and search for it. From your search results, the official link will pop up, that is www.bankofamerica.com. But just below that, there are the options such as log into online banking, careers, locations, and there's a contact us option. So you have to tap on contact us. And that's gonna take you to the contact page of Bank of America. Once you land in customer service, here it says we are here to help. And there are several options that you can get from here. If you have any problem in your ATM debit card or the credit card transactions, you have these options here, so you can select one from there. If you have to reset your password, you could also do that. But if you want to directly contact with Bank of America, there are some other options given here. So if you have any problem regarding your account, your ATMs, auto loans, credit card, mobile banking, all of these are provided here. So you could tap on one of it. So for example, I will head over to your credit cards, and here it says you could write to this address given here that says credit card payments, express overnight service, credit card billing inquiries, and they also have this calling us mobile number provided for the direct customer support service. So you could simply call upon on these numbers, or you could also send mail to this address right here. So that's the way to contact to Bank of America. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.